Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the current support and resistance levels from the higher time frame to lower time frames. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Friday, Jan 28th. At 12:30 p.m. we have medium impact news for British pound, and at 1:30 p.m. we have medium impact news for Swiss franc. At 3:30 p.m. we have medium impact news for euro related currency pairs, and at 7 p.m. we have medium impact news for Canadian dollar. At 8:30 p.m. we have medium impact news for US dollar related currency pairs. So we have lots of medium impact news for most of the major currency pairs. Let us continue with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs, and when we look at the current trend of the price action based on this trend line or the support line, it is still in a very strong bullish trend. It tried to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, but the bullish trend was very strong. So we have noticed a price action to take support around the support level of 1900 and to bounce back on the bullish trend. And when we look at the levels using the Fibonacci tools also, we have noticed it to take support around the support level of 61.80% of the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is around 1898, and we have noticed it to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So this level of 61.80 has acted as a very strong support for the current price action in daily time frame. So if the bullish trend continues, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 19.74 and 78.60% of the Fibonacci resistance level. And again, if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement also, we can expect it to take support. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in daily time frame. So currently the price action in daily time frame is trading around the support level of 1898 and the resistance level of 1974. And if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, breaking this trend line or the support line from the daily time frame, next level of support is going to be around 1844, 1791, 1724 and 1616. And the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading above this trend line or the support line from the daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, after testing this trend line from the daily time frame, we have noticed a price action to continuously trend on the bullish trend. It has also broken the previous high of 1928. We have noticed a price action to continue trending on the bullish trend. So in the 4 hours time frame also, we are noticing the price action to be trending on a very strong bullish trend. So this trend line or the support line is from the 4 hours time frame, and as long as the price action is trading above this bullish trend line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. Wait for the price action to break this trend line if you want to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to take support on this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish side if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side trade in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame also, we are noticing the current trend to be in a very strong bullish trend. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or support line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from the resistance level of 1935, and if the bearish side retracement continues, next level of support is going to be around 1927, 1921, 1916, 1931, 1913, 1909, 1905 and 1898. So if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side trade, wait for the price action to break the previous high, which is going to be around 1927, based on which you can enter on the bearish side trades. These are all going to be the target levels in the hourly time frames. And as long as the price action is trading above this 4 hours time frame bullish support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. For 30 minutes time frame also, I have drawn a trend line or a support line where I have connected the previous candle's high. So wait for the price action to break this trend line or the support line from the 30 minutes time frame if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side trade in 30 minutes time frame, or wait for the price action to take support and to bounce back from this support line if you want to freshly enter into the bullish side trade in 30 minutes time frame. And the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend in 30 minutes time frame also. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1935 and support level of 1929. And if the price action bounces back on the bearish side, breaking this support level of 1929, next level of support is going to be around 1924, 1921, 1917, 1913 and 1909. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1935, next level of resistance is going to be around 1943 and 1954. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame. For 15 minutes time frame also, I am drawing a trend line or a support line. And based on this trend line, we can notice that the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend. So wait for the price action to break this 5 minutes time frame and the 30 minutes time frame support line if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade, or else wait for the price action to bounce back from this 30 minutes time frame support line if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side trade in 15 minutes time frame also. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1935 and support level of 1931. On the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1931, next level of support is going to be around 1928, 1927, 1924, 1922 and 1918. And if the bullish trend continues, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1935. Once the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1939 and 1945. And the current trend of the price action in all the time frame are in the bullish trend for now. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.